And from then I got initiated and I got married in the water.
You got initiated?
Yeah.
By who?
Oh, by my husband.
By your husband?
Yes, I got married in the water.
You got married in the water?
Yes.
So married to a human being in the water?
No, it's a spirit being, not a woman.
Hey, wait, my people. Hey! Now, wow, something there for this hair too. When I see this video, one I just watch, so I will put the full video for now. I'm gonna watch, I'm gonna listen to what this lady they tell us. Now, Mami, now she be, now Mami. Now, Mami say marry for inside river. Say if you get children from that side. So they come they ask and say whether na real person married to or no. Say not be real person. Una know the way today. Now, wow. He say anybody wey be say that is anybody wey try to say maybe they want go with her. If you go with to that person you go kpai. Not the way person not dey see, not the way the person not dey see. I'll put the video for now. Mona listing. Mona just sit down. Mona listing. Mona share this video. Many women they really they wey be say them be Mami. So this one don dey talk now say he get a husband for that side. So you know if you follow anybody for this real life where we just dey so. My people, this thing they really they exist. Me, I don't know whether they exist or because I know they go inside river. I don't know as that side be now only there. And all these things where they say Mami, they know they see them for abroad though. I don't understand why be say now we the African and get all this Mami. I be now our power na come be say is strong past their own. I don't know. Now question. Me I put the video for na mona listen. Me I not be say I just they talk. So una no dey hear, una no hear wetin dey talk. Mona just sit down, mona listen to the video very well. He go explain everything about life. Now she can't talk for there. Una do well, so una take dey help me. God go bless una. Na bye bye. Sit down and listen. Please don't forget to share the video so that other people go still learn. Not be all women wey be say just fine. They will just define and they go. Mona listen. Put wetin dey talk for inside una ear. Na bye bye.
You are too beautiful, man. Are you a human being?
Yes, I'm a human being.
You're a human being?
Yes.
So how did you become goddess of water?
Well,
hey, talk to your bed. Let her behave. Oh, it's your spirit.
Well, when I was 7 years old, according to my parents, I got missing about 3 days and they searched for me everywhere. They couldn't see me. Unfortunately, they found me around the water.
They found you around the water?
Yes.
Did they tell you the name of the water?
Oh, no, they didn't tell me. But I know they found me around the water. So when they brought me back, I started behaving strange.
Okay. Behave.
Yes, I started behaving strange. I started having strange feelings. I started giving people directions about their lives. I started solving problems. I started giving them solutions. And I started telling them what has happened to them and what is already going to happen to them. So ever since then, my life have changed. So it got to the point that I never knew all these things. I was a goddess of the water, but it got to the point when I sleep, I see myself going out. I see myself in the water. I see myself dancing in the water. And from then I got initiated and I got married in the water.
You got initiated?
Yeah.
By who?
Oh, by my husband.
By your husband?
Yes, I got married in the water.
You got married in the water?
Yes.
So married to a human being in the water?
No, it's a spirit being, not a woman being.
It's a spirit being?
Yeah.
What spirit is it?
He is a king in the water, so he saw me and he liked me and he got married to me.
He saw you physically or spiritually?
Spiritually. When I go out, like when I lie down and go out in the night, I see myself in the water. So we met each other there. When I got initiated and we got married in the water.
You got married in the water?
Yeah.
How long has it been since you got married?
Oh, I am 26 years old now. So from then now, it has been 26 years.
It's been 26 years
since
you got married.
Yes.
So you got married at a very young age?
Yes.
To a spirit in the water?
Yes.
For 26 years, have you been able to live with a human being who is a man? Have you been able to have a boyfriend, marry a human being?
No, not at all.
Why?
You know, we the people, we are jealous. So are the human beings. So I cannot have anything with any human being.
You can't have anything with any human being?
No.
Not even for once?
No.
What happens if you get involved with a man?
That man will die.
Really?
I will not even try getting involved in having anything with a man. because I don't want to hurt people's feelings. I don't want to hurt anyone. So I'll keep myself.
But men like you are beautiful. When you go out, don't men call you? Don't they ask for your number? Don't they even propose love to you?
They do.
And what do you tell them?
Of people do. I'll tell them I don't want. As a woman, you have the right to tell the people what you want and what you don't want.
But do you explain to some of them that you are not a human being like they think you are?
No, I don't go and explain myself to anyone. I'll just tell you, this is, I don't want you, and that is it.
But you are not an ordinary human being.
I'm a human being, but I'm also a spirit.
You're also a spirit.
Yes.
And you have a husband in the sea. Is it sea or river?
It's a sea.
It's a sea. And do you have babies with your spiritual husband?
Yes, I have about 3 kids with him.
3 kids with him?
Yeah.
And are they in human form or they are in spiritual form?
No, they are in spiritual form.
Do you see them?
Yes, I see them.
Now you are living with human beings. Do your kids come to you?
They come to me. They come to me. But you as a human, you can't see them apart from me.
Only you see them?
Yes, only I can see them.
And you have names for them?
Yes.
What are their names?
They have Orie.
What?
Orie.
Orie.
Yeah. I have Afo and Unkwo.
Orie, Afo, and Unkwo.
Yeah.
What names are those? Are those Ghanaian names?
No, that's the spirit words.
That's the spirit words
names.
But
yeah.
are you a Ghanaian?
Yeah, I'm a Ghanaian.
You're a Ghanaian,
Yeah.
but you sound Nigerian.
Yeah, I'm a Ghanaian, but I did not base in Ghana.
You did not base in Ghana?
Yeah.
But so where did you marry your spirit from, Ghana or Nigeria?
When I came, I married him from Nigeria, so he's a Nigerian.
He's a Nigerian.
Yeah.
Your spiritual husband is a Nigerian.
Yeah.
So your spiritual kids are Nigerian kids,
Yes.
living in Nigerian sea.
Yes.
So aren't you dangerous to we mortals, like we physical men? If someone is supposed to have something to do with you, or if someone hurts you, you are not going to forgive such a person now?
No, I'm not that kind of person. I'm a kind of person that have good heart. So when you offend me, I probably tell you that you have offended me and I don't like what you did to me. So I would not, except you go to the limit I don't like.
What is that limit? And are there things that you don't do?
Maybe you ask me out and I tell you that I don't want it. You keep on persisting and telling me you like me, and I have to discuss it with my husband. So he will take action on that.
So it's your husband who will take action?
Yeah.
If the person forces you?
Yes.
Do you have some do's and don'ts as someone who is married to spirit?
No.
You don't have do's and don'ts. You don't have taboos. You are able to do anything you like.
No, I'm a human being, so I do everything I want, except
No, but you are not a human being. You are married to a spirit. You go under the sea. You have spiritual children.
Yes. I'm a human being like you.
No, you are not like me now.
You don't understand me.
Okay, let me understand.
I'm a human being like you, but I am both from the spiritual world and from the human being.
Are you a mermaid?
No, I'm not a human mermaid.
Are you Mami Water?
Yes.
You are Mami Water?
Yes, of course.
You are Mami Water?
I am married to the spirit, so I am still from the water.
So you are a marine spirit?
Yes.
You are a marine spirit. I think that's the best way to put it, because I'm asking you about the Mami Water questions based on what I see on your pot. There's a mermaid with her hands open with 2 candles in there.
Yeah.
Is that you?
No, that's not me.
That's not you?
No, that's just the structure of what we do, and the structure showing you that that is what I am and what I am doing.
So how come the kettle is suspended?
Oh, the kettle is just a spiritual thing, but my husband is the one staying. He's here with us and he's the one holding it there.
So is your husband an electric force or something?
No, he's not an electric force. He's just holding it and it's pending there. That's one of the miracles in it.
So why is your husband holding water as you are talking to me? He's supposed to be in his room. Is he scared I'm going to ask you out or something?
No, he's protecting me.
He's protecting you?
Yes.
Does he follow you everywhere you go?
Not at all, not at all. But before even everything happened, he already know what is going to happen. So he's here with me.
But now that you have declared yourself that you are a marine spirit, and you actually carry marine spirit, and you are Mami Water, men of God who are watching you now are going to start praying to destroy you. How about that?
You know, when you say you're from the marine world, people think you're cursed or it's a bad thing that you are from the marine world. But not at all. Majority of pastors, they talk about it, but some of them have not looked close to it and know what is in there.
Okay.
It's a very pure thing. We do good things, we help people. So there's nothing wrong in being a mermaid or a mommy water.
There's nothing wrong in being
No, there's
mermaid
not at
or
all.
Mami